Chaver, wie mir steht in Borough Park, seht man der Yehi Ohr stand in the stores, in Butem. And I'm not yet sure what this is. Ich sag Menschen haben gefragt, Chaim, wo ist das Yehi Ohr? Lass mal übergehen zu Rabbi Yitzchok. Rabbi Yitzchok wachs. Rabbi Yitzchok, ich habe gesehen, wie die Kicks auf der Sache für die warst aus, du hast ein bisschen Indien, wo es geht durch vor. Rabbi Yitzchok, what is this Yehi Ohr?
Yehi Ohr is a very simple and very clear understanding.
Yehi Ohr is basically a campaign to pick up a box from shul, take it over to a neighbor, a associate, a colleague that's not yet connected, and bring it over to him and say, Mazbe, the ganz Chodesh Tishre?
Ja, nicht nur das Mazbe Tishre, et nicht will mal weggehen von Tishre.
What's the
The book is Experience of the High Holidays. Das meint Rosh Hashuni, Yom Kippur, Sikkis, betig dich in Galat, nehmt sein zu heim, gib es für Schuchen, gib es für eine, was ist in the neighborhood. Dienstag mach ich an, so muss Schisma bei ganz
in der Box?
In der Box ist auch du Sachen, was jeder Ingele weiß. Honig auf Yom Tov, a Süßigkeit von jeder Schumme.
Well, das kommt mit der kleinen Honig.
Mit der Herrsche, mit alles. Und ein Stückchen Honigcake, 2 Licht. Wenn eine Schumme hat uns zu brennen, man hat uns zu sehen, dass du etwas auf Finke mir.
See guide, I see guides for instructions. So suchst du in du, schreib pink Bus mit alles. Das ist unbedingt, ein Bietzrock. Aber jetzt schon, ich habe schon gar nicht mehr beziehen. Ich habe gerade ein Schuchen, wo es gerade nicht connected yet. Maybe we'll try. I don't know if I ever spoke to him yet. He's not our type, and maybe now is the perfect time. Set him in a box.
Anytime you call me, 7/24, 7 days a week, 24 hours
so
a day.
So let me call you when it's a good time to go over with him. You
find out when it's good for him. I'll be there with you. Because push it to bring on the shum is mein eigenes Schiss. Bringst du mich zurück, sie sind connected to the alle Chevre.
I'm going to take one. So this is about Buchrim in Galat. If you know of anybody, a colleague, associate, a friend, a cousin, a neighbor, in the neighborhood, a barberman, anybody who's not connected yet, a beautiful box is presented beautiful. Think of that box, a class.
Unbelievable.
We open up this one to show it for your neighbor, for your cousin, for somebody who's not yet so connected. This brings it down beautiful.
There's more than you need in order to get somebody back.
And let's go over. Let's go.
Youngen. Numbers.
Let's go.
Oh, du is aber gered met
hem. Tell you the truth, I never knocked yet. Bring the box. We're doing it for real. Oimer voice.
Oh, waarschijnlijk is dit op een tier. Up to date. En chef van de tier. Shalom Aleichem.
Shalom Aleichem. Good morning,
a Yiddish kind. I see this one over here.
Yes, there are many in the house.
And one over here.
Oh my
geweldig.
Okay.
A Yiddish kind.
Okay.
Can I talk with you for 2.5 minutes?
Maybe a little more, maybe a little less. I have time to stay.
If I behave, we'll talk more. If not,
you look like the type to always behave.
All right, let's start it off like this. My name is Yitzchok Wax. I have a little gift for you. If you'll open it up.
A gift from whom?
From me, from an organization.
Congregation?
Not a congregation, or organization that we get. We don't belong to nobody. We belong to the Yiddish folk, me and you. If you'll open it up, I'll help you open it up. Just. It's a nice box, a nice gift. It's when you open this book here, we'll say everything starting from Rosh Hashanah till after Simchas Torah.
Beginning of the new year to the end of the year.
To the first 4 weeks. First 4 weeks. First month of the year. Okay. Obviously, there's honey. There's candles to light for Yom Kippur. There's a honey cake. After you fast, after the whole day, you have to take in your mouth. The main thing is this book. I'm not going to go through it, the whole thing with you, because I can read English. But if you'll sit down with your wife...
Is that actually the truth? I don't think so.
You'll go
You're a kibbutzer.
You'll go through with your wife, you'll read it through. I think the closeness what we could go is actually getting a hug.
Gee, wow.
This is my brother. We're one big nation, we're one big family. We might look different, but inside, it's one person. And
sounds kosher. Sounds good.
A little boy.
What's your first name?
Yitzchok.
Yitzchok.
Yitzchok. And yes, Hashem, I hope maybe this Yom Tov yet, and not no pressure. Let it be Hanukkah. We are going to be connected. I mean, we are connected, but there's such connection that I don't see why we should be different one another. Either I take a shave or you grow your beard. Either or.
Yitzchak.
Sei gesund.
Beautiful.
A pleasure.
Pleasure's all mine.
Boys, I want to tell you something very inspiring. Most of my videos are staged. We set up with the owner of the business that want to come at this hour, and then we just make it, Shalom Aleichem, hey, how are you? But they're all staged. This video was 100% real. Zero staging. I live in that house. This is my neighbor over here, Jerry. I never spoke to him. I live here for 3 years. We're different, and we just never spoke. When I saw this box, I met Rabbi Yitzchak for wax and shul, and I said, we're going to go give it to my neighbor together. It's the first time I spoke to him in over 3 years that I'm living next to him. This is something that's just is making me very, very inspired, and I'm sure whoever's saw this video is inspired. Now, you don't have to chapa shmuz with your neighbor. It doesn't have to be you didn't speak to him in 3 years. It could be a colleague, it could be an associate, it could be a cousin, it could be a friend. It could be somebody you know from just, the mailman. Pick up the box. It's around in all local shuls, in all supermarkets, wherever you are, you can find this box from Yehi Ohr. Pick it up, give it to your second cousin who's not affiliated. Give it to anybody that you know, and just drop it off. You don't have to chapa shmuz with them. You don't have to go into details. You don't have to just say this is a present from me to you for a happy Yom Tov, for a happy New Year, and that's it. And the rest will be history. They'll go into it, and with Hashem's help, they'll do a lot of big stuff. Chevra, grab it. It's for everybody to do. It's not complicated. It's not hard. You all can just pick it up. It's free. Doesn't cost any money. You pick it up, keep it with you in your car. You're going to meet somebody, just give it to him. It'll change his life forever.